Here is the Kohler generator 10K, and there's that, and it's came out of truck number 1432. It's got 3959 hours on it. It's a real good runner, and we've got it running on a can of gas, a couple 100 milliliters, and we've got our test thing. And this is actually a remote that is in the truck, and we've got a bunch of these if you want one of them. And we're going to start it from here. We can also start it from here, but we're going to start it from here. Look at the gauges. There's 3,000 watts of power, and we'll fire up that grinder as well. Okay, go ahead. Putting out 3,000 watts. Hertz are a little high because it's cold right now, and it's warm. Barely even breathes. Okay, go ahead. And I think that's like 1,500 watts as well. Plenty of power, but just to show you, it puts out power in both. Is that both legs? Are we drawn from both legs, you know? Oh, okay. All right, good. Yeah, so we're pulling power on both legs, and then the gauges barely show anything, but we're drawing. And then the hertz are coming down as the engine's warming up. So it works. Works good. Okay, kill it. There you go.